I found this waterfront property for my fiance and myself and our family for only $176,000 in the northern neck of Virginia. It does need some TLC, but it comes with quite a bit of stuff. So my daughter saw crabs down here today, and this property came with 5 crab pots, a dock, 3 sheds, and a house that started off as a mobile home, but they did build a stick-built addition and made an upstairs, and it is pretty nice. So for $176,000, it's pretty much a steal. That shed is nice on the inside. Then we have this shed, and right here is a little crab shack we can paint and fix up. This property comes with 490 feet of water frontage, which is right along the lines of one of my listings that I have for $1,175,000, because that property has 540 feet of water frontage. But you can see the water goes all along here, up that way. And this is the 2-story addition that was added on. Kind of nice because we found the photos and we could see the rafters and everything where they were building it. It looks like I caught a glimpse of the sun maybe reflecting off the water over there where it's yellow. Probably. Very peaceful and definitely worth the price. Actually, we were in competition with someone else, so we did an escalation clause and came in $1,000 above the highest offer. There was only one other offer, and this deal had to be a cash deal because of the basis being the mobile home, which we're going to paint it blue. And my fiance is a master painter, so that will be pretty easy. We've already painted a couple houses. But you can see all the water frontage. It's definitely a good deal. The roof looks really nice. And there's the other shed. And the sun goes down right over there at the cornfield, which is someone else's property. But I can't wait to be here one day when the sun's rising. That's going to be really pretty. There you have it. The deal of the week. Found by April Caldwell, realtor with Samson Properties, covering the northern neck of Virginia, northern Virginia, and Maryland. I have been an agent for 11 years, and what I was doing, I was looking for someone else a waterfront house, and they were spending either $600,000 or $800,000, but I started at the bottom of the funnel just to see what was out there, and then I saw this one, and it was only $219,000. And during the time that we were looking at it and getting our offer together, it came down another $20,000. So I'll show you pictures later when we paint it blue. The roof looks beautiful. It's like a light gray. It looks like, to me, it looks like brand new. So I have some people on Facebook asking me to find them a good deal like this as well. So I definitely will be keeping my eyes out for that. But I'll show you what the roof looks like.